In this tutorial, you'll see how to quickly create a simple logo animation in After Effects. Let's get started. First, import the PNG logo file. You can find this logo file in the description. Set the scale value to 125. Then, select the polygon tool and draw a shape. Next, open the Polystar settings and set the point's value to 3. Adjust the center point using the Ctrl-Alt-Home shortcut. Select the rotation tool with the W shortcut and rotate the shape 180 degrees. Adjust its position and size so that it overlaps perfectly with the shape in the logo. Now, open the position value and adjust the position of the triangle shape like this. Add the wiggle position effect to the triangle from the Effects panel. Set the wiggle speed value to 30 and the amount value to 3. Okay, good. Now, start the position keyframe in 1 second. Go forward 10 frames and adjust the position of the triangle shape to match the triangle in the logo. Select the keyframes and give them easy ease. Also adjust the speed graph like this. Perfect. Now turn on the scale value of the triangle shape and start keyframe. The scale value remains the same at 1 second and 10 frames. At the very beginning, at 0 frames, and 1 second, set the scale value to 100. Very good. Now turn on the opacity value and start its keyframe at 1 second. Go forward 5 frames and set the opacity value to 0. Select the keyframes and give them easy ease. Also adjust the speed graph like this. Okay, there's a small problem here. To fix it, we need to move the opacity keyframes forward a bit. Now it's better. Also activate motion blur. Great. Now split the logo using the Ctrl-Shift-D shortcut. Start the keyframes by opening the scale and opacity values. First, set the scale to 180 and the opacity to 0. Move 10 frames forward. Set the scale to 125 and the opacity to 100. Select the keyframes and give them easy ease. Also adjust the speed graph like this. There is a problem with the animation transition here. To fix it, set the logo's start to 1 second and 10 frames. Adjust the opacity keyframes of the triangle shape like this. Perfect. Okay, that's all. If you watched this far, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. See you in the next videos.